Welcome to 2024. Yeah, it's been a long time since we made a video on this channel, and I'm very sorry for keeping you waiting all these years. Never mind. So from now on, you'll be getting updates or video tutorials on this channel. Thank you very much for your patience and sticking to me on this channel. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel and please stay tuned because there are more videos coming up and you are going to love it. We are going to learn a lot in 2024. So stay tuned. I am Cops and this is coming up. It looks like I am starting a new tutorial. Oh my god, this is crazy, eh? Yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Bye bye.